Chief Executive Officer. The Chief Executive Officer, or CEO, is the top leader of a company. This person is responsible for the overall direction of the business, the biggest decisions, and the long-term vision. In many companies, the CEO is the public face of the organization, speaking to investors, employees, customers, and the media. The role matters because almost every major strategy eventually connects back to the CEO's choices. Chief Operating Officer. The Chief Operating Officer, or COO, focuses on how the company actually runs day to day. While the CEO thinks about the bigger direction, the COO makes sure the business can execute that direction in real life. This can include managing operations, improving systems, overseeing departments, and making sure teams work together smoothly. The COO matters because a great idea means very little if the company cannot operate well. Chief Financial Officer. The Chief Financial Officer, or CFO, is responsible for the company's money. This includes budgeting, accounting, financial planning, cash flow, risk management, and reporting numbers to investors or owners. In older companies, the CFO was often seen mostly as the person who watched the books, but today the role is much more strategic. A strong CFO helps the company decide where to spend, where to cut, and how to grow without running out of money. Chief Marketing Officer. The Chief Marketing Officer, or CMO, leads how a company attracts attention and builds demand. This role can include advertising, branding, customer research, social media, product launches, and public campaigns. The CMO matters because customers often do not buy the best product simply because it exists. They buy what they understand, trust, and remember. Chief Technology Officer. The Chief Technology Officer, or CTO, leads the company's technology strategy. In a tech company, this person may help decide what products get built and what technical systems the company uses. In a non-tech company, the CTO may focus on using technology to make the business faster, safer, or more efficient. The role became more important as software, apps, cloud systems, and automation became part of almost every industry. Chief Information Officer. The Chief Information Officer, or CIO, manages the company's internal information systems. This often includes computers, business software, data storage, networks, and digital tools used by employees. The CTO often looks outward at products and technology strategy, while the CIO often looks inward at systems that help the company function. The role matters because modern companies depend on clean, secure, and reliable information. Chief Human Resources Officer. The Chief Human Resources Officer, or CHRO, leads the people side of the company. This includes hiring, training, employee benefits, workplace culture, promotions, and sometimes conflict resolution. In the past, human resources was often seen as paperwork and policy, but today it can shape whether a company attracts and keeps good workers. The CHRO matters because a company's strategy is only as strong as the people carrying it out. Chief Legal Officer. The Chief Legal Officer, or CLO, oversees the company's legal risks and legal strategy. This person helps the company handle contracts, lawsuits, regulations, mergers, intellectual property, and major legal decisions. A business can lose money very quickly if it ignores legal problems, even when the product or service is successful. The CLO matters because growth has to happen inside the rules, not outside of them. Chief Compliance Officer. The Chief Compliance Officer makes sure the company follows laws, rules, and internal policies. This role is especially common in banks, healthcare companies, insurance firms, and other heavily regulated industries. Compliance became more important as companies face larger fines and stricter rules around data, finance, safety, and consumer protection. The role matters because one violation can damage both the company's money and reputation. Chief Revenue Officer. The Chief Revenue Officer, or CRO, focuses on how the company brings in money. This role often connects sales, marketing, pricing, customer success, and revenue growth into one strategy. Unlike a sales leader who may focus mostly on closing deals, the CRO looks at the full path, from attracting a customer to keeping that customer over time. The role matters because revenue is what keeps the business alive. Chief Sales Officer. The Chief Sales Officer, or CSO, leads the company's sales strategy and sales team. This person focuses on finding customers, closing deals, setting sales goals, training salespeople, and improving the sales process. The role is especially important in companies that sell expensive products, business services, software, or contracts. A strong sales leader can turn interest into actual money. Chief Customer Officer. The Chief Customer Officer, or CCO, focuses on the customer experience. This role looks at how customers feel before, during, and after they buy from the company. It can include customer support, customer success, feedback, complaints, and retention. The role matters because many companies do not just need customers to buy once, they need them to stay, renew, and recommend the business to others. Chief Product Officer. The Chief Product Officer, or CPO, leads the company's product strategy. This person helps decide what products should be built, what features matter, what problems customers have, and how the product should improve over time. The role is common in software, tech, consumer goods, and companies with many product lines. The CPO matters because a company can have great marketing and sales, but still struggle if the product itself does not fit the market. Chief Data Officer. The Chief Data Officer, or CDO, manages how a company collects, organizes, protects, and uses data. This role became more common as companies started collecting huge amounts of customers, sales, financial, and operational information. The Chief Data Officer helps turn raw numbers into useful decisions. The role matters because data can show patterns that people may miss, but only if the data is accurate and handled responsibly. Chief Digital Officer. The Chief Digital Officer also uses the initials CDO, but the role is different from Chief Data Officer. This person focuses on helping the company move into the digital world, such as online sales, mobile apps, digital customer service, automation, and new digital business models. The role became popular as older companies had to compete with internet-based companies. It matters because customers now expect businesses to be fast, easy to use, and available online. Chief Information Security Officer. The Chief Information Security Officer, or CISO, protects the company from cyber threats. This includes hacking, data leaks, phishing attacks, ransomware, and weak security systems. As more business moved online, the CISO became one of the most important risk management rules in large companies. The role matters because one security failure can expose customer data, stop operations, and create major financial damage. Chief Strategy Officer. The Chief Strategy Officer helps plan where the company should go in the future. This role often works closely with the CEO to study competitors, new markets, risks, acquisitions, and long-term growth options. Strategy is different from daily operations because it asks what the company should become, not just what it should do today. The role matters because companies can grow in the wrong direction if they do not think carefully. Chief Sustainability Officer. The Chief Sustainability Officer leads the company's environmental and social responsibility efforts. This can include reducing waste, cutting emissions, improving supply chains, and reporting sustainability goals to investors or regulators. The role has grown as customers, governments, and investors pay more attention to how companies affect the environment. It matters because sustainability is no longer just a public image issue for many businesses. It can affect costs, regulation, and long-term survival. Chief Procurement Officer. The Chief Procurement Officer manages how the company buys goods and services. This can include supplier relationships, contract negotiation, cost control, and making sure the company gets the materials or services it needs. The role is especially important in manufacturing, retail, construction, and companies with large supply chains. A strong procurement leader can save money, avoid delays, and reduce dependence on weak suppliers. Chief Risk Officer. The Chief Risk Officer, or CRO, focuses on the risks that could hurt the company. This can include financial risk, market risk, legal risk, operational risk, cybersecurity risk, and reputation risk.
The role is common in banks, insurance companies, and large corporations where one bad decision can create serious losses. The chief risk officer matters because growth is important, but surviving bad conditions is just as important.
Chief Investment Officer. The Chief Investment Officer, or CIO, manages investment decisions for a company, fund, university, insurance firm, or wealthy organization. This person decides where money should be placed, how much risk to take, and how to balance short-term safety with long-term returns. The role is different from the Chief Information Officer, even though they share the same initials. The Chief Investment Officer matters because large pools of money can grow or shrink based on investment strategy.